Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying Mac OS and the exact MacBook Pro model so you get correct parts and settings. Once done, make a full backup with Time Machine or a clone drive. Make sure the backup verifies successfully before you proceed. Power down, unplug the MagSafe or USB-C charger, and remove any external keyboards. Next, work on a clean, static-free surface and gather a pentalobe screwdriver, Torx T5, spudger, and soft brush so you can start the hardware inspection immediately. You now open the bottom case, keeping screws organized and photographing each step for reassembly. Once inside, locate the keyboard area and check the key mechanism. Remove the keycap gently using a plastic spudger, then inspect the scissor or butterfly assembly and rubber dome for broken clips or trapped debris. Clean under the key with short bursts of compressed air and use a 90% isopropyl swab to dissolve sticky residue. Make sure to dry fully and test the key action before moving on. You finish by installing a replacement scissor mechanism or full key module if clips were damaged. Align the hooks and press until it clicks. Reassemble the chassis, reconnect power, boot into Mac OS, and open Keyboard Viewer to verify keystroke registration. If soft issues remain, reset SMC and NVRAM, then recheck. These resets often resolve firmware or power-related key faults. If the key still fails, document the problem with photos and diagnostic notes, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.